Hey there! Microsoft Bing is becoming a productivity platform with new AI-powered features that will make it more visual and personalized. Bing Chat will be able to create charts and graphs when fed the right prompt and data, allowing users to present results visually and in the chart type of their choosing. In addition, Bing Image Creator will soon understand more language aside from English and will allow users to refine the image they generate with follow-up prompt. However, the use of copyrighted data to train generative models like DALL E2 had raised concerns about compensating content creators. Bing Chat will also gain a new multimodal abilities such as the ability to understand images as well as text. User will be able to upload images and search the web for related content, and the new page context function in the Edge app for mobile and allow users to ask questions in Bing Chat related to the mobile page they are viewing. Finally, Bing Chat will soon store users' chat histories, letting them pick up where they left off and return to previous chats when they wish. Microsoft is adding criticism by allowing users to delete their history and at any time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe for every tech new news. Ciao. See you later.